Welcome to So Realistic. Today I will be teaching you how to make a pom-pom charm out of rainbow bags. So what we will need are rubber bands. So 10 for each. So 60 to 70 bands for the pom-pom and like a few for the slip clots. So let's get started. So we need at least 10 bands for each color in the pom-pom. So for my pom-pom colors, I've got dark pink, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, and a few bands for the slip clot, and my slip clot color is clear. You can do whatever color you want, and we would need at least 60 to 70 bands. So let's get started. I've gotten 10 of each color sorted except my slip clots. And first we will be applying it onto our hook. And I have gotten my 10 bands on. And I'm going to be adding I'll be adding at least 60 bands, but you can choose to either do 60 or 70. I've gotten all my pom-pom bands in order, but do not put your slip clot on. So now what we will be doing is taking two of the slip clot bands, put it down like this, and move all the bands onto the clear and make sure it's not on a hook. I'll be showing this to you after I've been doing it because this might fall apart or some stuff. Sometimes it will fall apart. Ready, and now take the other side of your hook and place it. Oh God. Place it down onto your hook to look exactly something like this. You can already see half of it is already getting made, but it will look better once it is finished. So now you can see there are two pairs of the double bands on my hook. You might not be able to see it because mine is clear, but then take the bottom pair and pull it over your hook so it can become a bit tighter. And I will show you when I am done. So now I have actually done this step, but I'm going to make it a bit tighter, let me think. So I will make it a bit, and right now I will show you after it's tighter. So take a second band and hook over the bottom band, and it should get a second mount to be tighter. I need to do like one more trick after twisting it, so I have to twist my band so I can get it only to one, and this is the end result pom-pom. So thanks for watching. Thanks for being awesome. Bye. I hope you like and subscribe and share with your friends. Thanks for being awesome. Bye.